It's time for another Carbong. Today is a little fancy, okay? I brought my dishes and plates and all that from home. Just wanted to show you that. Hope it doesn't fall over. Knowing this granny, it's gonna fall over any minute. But you guys are used to it, and that's my specialty, right? So what I have for you today, what I have for me actually, my drink is 100% pure coconut. Let me see the ingredients. Because sometimes it's not what it seems. So it's coconut water, young coconut pulp, okay? So that's 100% coconut water. And it's a busy day today. So I have that. And I have Crunchyroll. Where did I plug this on? Crunchyroll. And a little bit of California roll. Just 4 little pieces because, you know, I can't eat that much. And then tempura. And I have Tempura Udon noodles. Just spelling. And I brought my bowl from home, this Japanese bowl. Anyone know what that says? I've had this bowl for years and I don't know what that says. And I have the thick noodles, the udon noodles. Okay? I have this little fish, what is this called? The pink fish cake. So let me get started. I've already prayed. Let me do my thumbnail. Struggles of thumbnails. My steering wheel is in the way, so what do I do? Ayya. There you go, right there. Hope I don't drop anything. Hope that turns out. Okay, I'm digging in. I'm so hungry. The crunch roll is my first time ever because I think it's just a California roll dipped in batter and then deep fried with like mayo, not mayo, that Thousand Island dressing. I haven't tried it. It may be spicy. So it's a fried sushi or California roll I've never had before. It's a little spicy. But I don't understand. The bento meal that Mysterygranny I got last time, the whole meal, that's like $10. This right here, just this roll right here, $8.95. Does that make sense? The unagi meal that we had, it was only $10. So that's what Mysterygranny got again, because good thing he didn't get this. This would not fill him up. And it's basically the California roll. It's good, I like it. I think next time I'm gonna go for all the bentos. They have excellent bentos here. Like chicken teriyaki, beef teriyaki, lunch specials. And then the tonkatsu, they have that as the lunch box, $10. And you get salad, you get a bowl of rice, you get tempura, did I say salad? And miso soup, and California rolls for $10. That's much better. I brought this extra from home. They only gave the 3 or 4 little pieces. And you know, I love these pickled ginger now. I didn't used to eat them before, but now I love them. tempura. Japanese food is good, right? He's nodding. Today is one of those days when we have like 4 or 5 errands to go on, and so that's why we're out. I try not to come out too many times. Someone said the end, the tail is good for you. And I brought everything from home. I even brought the spoon. Because they give you all the food in a styrofoam, and I just like, you know, plating my food nicely. And who says you can't have a fancy meal in a car, right? And I dress to match. Japanese food is not too, it doesn't have too many spices. It's really easy on the stomach. Whereas Korean food is just way too spicy. And Chinese food, I think it tastes excellent. I love Chinese food. But it has a lot of grease. So I can't eat that too many times. But Japanese food, it's always just simple and easy on the stomach. I think this is a carrot. There's a little hole. Just stick that in there and oh, I think that's how you drink it. I got this years ago. Healthy meal. Did I give you a bite? Did I tease you yet? Sorry. I like the pulpy coconut. Before, I didn't used to like coconut water either. But now I love coconut. I guess our preference for food, it can change, I guess. It has young coconut and it's not even that sweet. It's just pure coconut water. And this whole thing has, 2 servings. 220 if it's 2 servings. Too much? Here. Mysterygranny has to watch his calorie intake too. As you get older, your metabolism slows down, so you can't eat as much as when you were younger and still keep your weight the same. So either you eat less or you move more. That's how you maintain your weight. You can't eat like you did when you were in your 20s and expect to look as good, right? So do the math. If you want to lose weight, 20. Well, if you want to lose weight, eat less and move more. If you want to gain weight, eat more, move less. It's that simple. I think I'm loving this more than the California rolls. I don't know. I think my mom's California rolls are much better looking than this. I don't even see avocado. I don't see cucumbers. I don't know. Maybe it's just our little town. We only have 2 sushi places. We don't have big fancy restaurants here. The other day I was talking with someone. We're about to do a collab. They said, oh, let's do Red Robins. Red Robins. We don't have Red Robins here. Or do you have this? We don't have that here. We have all the fast food places, but none of the Olive Gardens or Red Lobster. We don't have any of that. Granny lives out in nowhere. Okay, this is gonna be a big bite for me. Next time, I'm gonna do the tonkatsu lunch special. I think those are way better than the sushi stuff here. Because I get the best California rolls at home. I have a table down here. I brought it. It's gonna be a quick video, okay? So she says. Japanese viewers, tell me what that says. What if it means something bad and all this time I didn't know? I'm sure it won't say anything bad. I'm getting full already. Can't believe I used to hate these. I was gonna dip it in the soy sauce. These black chopsticks are very slippery. They're plastic, that's why. feel like this is a big table at home. A big plate. I'm not too fond of this. It's okay. I'll get the bentos next time. It has soup, it has salad, tempura, California rolls, and the main meal. The main entree. So much better. And when we could eat inside, they give it to you in a big bento box. I think the plating makes a difference when you're eating. Because now we're eating out of styrofoam containers. So it doesn't taste as good to me. It's all about presentation. See, this is much prettier than me eating from a... Can I see that? Top one. The udon noodles came in a container like this, and it had one of those liquid containers. You know, I would have been eating out of that, and that's not that fancy, right? But this made it much prettier. To me, it just tastes better when the food looks good. I don't judge people, I judge food. I think I'm just gonna finish this and I'm done. So much healthier than ramen noodles. Because you know ramen noodles, they're deep fried in oil, right? Did you guys know that? Ramen noodles are not the healthiest. So to get udon noodles like this, the wet noodles, much healthier. Got an idea. Why don't I get these noodles and put the 2 times, not the 2 times, just the regular samyang, nuclear fire sauce. Might be tasty. Very good. All right, thank you for joining me for that quick meal. It was quick for me because I usually take 20-30 minutes eating. 25-30. And Mr. Granny's looking, what, are you done already? Are you done talking already? He's looking at me like, that was too short. Right? Too short? It's okay. You guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And please don't unsubscribe. Just leave it there. I may do a video that you like one day. Keep it there. There's a playlist. Follow me on Instagram. Check out my children's Storytime channel. There's a playlist. There's a list of many videos. Go watch that. All right. Thank you for your support, all you people. Thank you, you guys. Team Granny, you guys are really, I appreciate everything that you do for me. Every time you watch this silly granny do challenges and do silly stuff, I thank you so much. All right. May God bless you, and may you be nice and kind to one another, okay? And blessings will fall upon you when you do that, okay? All right, take care. We'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.